Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I would be sharing to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. Of course, if there are prices, release dates, and product codes, I would be putting it here. So please make sure you take a screenshot and check with your CAs. I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramirfi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, for today's Louis Vuitton bags, I will focus on 4 LV bags. I am predicting these bags will be popular. I have discussed these bags on our previous vlogs, but today I will share a more detailed view of these bags, including features, material, color, dimension, mod shots, price, SKU, and most importantly, what fits inside. Since most of these bags are available via pre-order, I am hoping this video will give you all the information that you need in making the decision. I would like to say thank you to these amazing LVCAs, Gem.LV, LVXVal, Louis Vuitton Guam for sharing these photos and videos. Please do check them out via Instagram. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, so let us start first with the Louis Vuitton CAMERABOX handbag. So this is part of the Louis Vuitton's Fall-Winter 2023 runway collection. Price is $3,450, so now it is available to order online and in stores. We have the SKU here. The dimension is 4.9 inches, 6.9 inches width with 2.4 inches in depth. Detachable and adjustable leather strap. The strap drop is 19.3 inches. It also has a thin gold chain strap with a drop of 11.4 inches. This very beautiful bag, guys, features the classic monogram with the reverse monogram canvas. It has a leather trim and handle. It also has the metallic corners and rivets. It also features S-lock closure with inside back flat pocket. So this is what it would fit inside, guys. As we could see here, it could fit 2 iPhones with a flat card holder or flat wallet. So you could insert your credit card with the inside back flat pocket, and you could maybe insert couple of lipstick and lip gloss at the side. So here are the celebrities and influencers who are carrying this very beautiful bag. So we have Heart Evangelista from our country, Philippines. As you can see, she styled this very beautifully. And we have another influencer here. So she is Janice, and I love her style. I love that she has styled this very casually with denim. So here again is the very or more close-up looks. As you can see, you could fully detach the 2 straps that it comes with. So for example, you wanted to wear it on a dressier occasion, then maybe you could wear it only as a top handle and with the gold chain strap. So here is the inside. So the inside is made of microfiber lining. It has a one flat pocket wherein we could insert our credit cards. Then again, you could wear this any occasion. Alright, next bag is Nano Alma. Price is $1,820. So this bag is now available to order pre-order online and via Louis Vuitton stores. We have the SKU here. So it features detachable and adjustable leather strap. The strap drop is 17.9 inches. Max drop is 21.3 inches. The main material is epi leather with microfiber lining. It has a double zip closure. Guys, kindly take note, the only difference from the regular Alma BB is it doesn't come with the padlock and keys, and it doesn't have a key clochette as well. Well, honestly, I'm wanting those features as well, so it would really look like the regular Alma BBs. So we have it in different colors. So we have it in black, we have in this Lilas Provence, we have in the orange Minnesota, we have it in cream, and we also have it in the vert noto or like the pistachio color over here. So all of these bags currently are available with silver hardware. It features two top handle with double zip closure. Guys, I would also like to mention that the Nano Alma that was released recently, this is not a new bag because previously they have done or released a Nano Alma. The only difference is the strap that it came with previously is not detachable. So here are the dimension. So length is 18 centimeters, the height is 12 centimeters, and the depth is 7 centimeters. So guys, please do take note that it is a good size mini bag. It could fit a lot. It could fit your iPhone 13 Pro. It could fit a Victorine wallet. Definitely, this is bigger than the Toiletry Pouch 15 and bigger than the mini pochette, which is only 5.5 inches in length. So here is a comparison with the Alma BB. So the green one, that is the Nano Alma, and the violet one is the Alma BB. So as you can see, there's a little bit difference with the dimension. Alright, next bag is the very cute Neverfull BB. Price is only 1,900 USD. We have the SKU here. So it features 9.4 inches in length. The height is 5.5 inches. And depth is 3.5 inches. It has a monogram canvas with natural or untreated vachetta leather trims and two top handles. It has a textile lining, gold color hardware. It has a zip closure at the top, as you can see here. It has a inside flat pocket. It has a D-ring in front with detachable round coin pouch, which I super love. And it comes with removable and adjustable strap with drop max of 22.8 inches. It features two top handles, as you can see here. And we are going to notice that again, the detachable canvas strap is fully adjustable. And this is what it could fit inside. So we could fit in a full iPhone here. I'm not really sure what iPhone this is, but just kindly check with the length of this one. It's only 9.4 inches. So I would still consider this one as a small bag. I believe definitely this is bigger and you could house more than my Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Plat. And the best feature of this bag for me, of course, aside from the size and the cuteness overload of the Neverfull BB, is of course the detachable round coin pouch. Honestly guys, it is one of my obsession, and if there is one SLG I would want to add to my Louis Vuitton collection, it is a round coin pouch. And this is what it looks like if you're going to wear it. And guys, also I would like to again mention that the price is kind of affordable compared to the new releases that LV is giving us. So I feel that the price of 1,900 USD is well worth it, because I feel comparing to the other new bags that LV is producing, this one is way more affordable and you are getting two bags in one. Alright, so for the next bag is the hide and seek. Price is $2,670 US. We have the SKU here. So the colors are quartz, vert noto, it's the green one, the black, the lilas Provence, orange Minnesota. And guys, please take note, all of these bags are currently available to order via louisvuitton.com or via in stores. It is made of epi leather with smooth cowhide leather trims. It has microfiber lining. It has gold tone color hardware, magnetic lock closure. The S-lock is covered in leather as well. And it has a removable and adjustable strap. The drop max is 22.4 inches and it is a single top handle that swings back and forth. So here is the color black and here is the interior if you are going to open, and you are going to notice that the S-lock feature is not fully functional because again, it is a magnetic type closure. So here is the color Orange Minnesota, how beautiful it is, and I love the combination, of course, of the epi leather with the cowhide leather trims. It is so beautiful and suited the quiet luxury trend. So here is the dimension, guys. I have converted. So the length is 21 centimeters, height is 15 centimeters or 5.9 inches, and depth is 3.1 or 7.87 centimeters. Here is what you could fit inside the bag. So we have the vitrine wallet, if I'm not mistaken, and we have an iPhone Pro here, not the Max one. So let's see if what could fit inside. So as you can see, it fits both of these items very beautifully inside the bag, and it has enough more space, maybe for your shades, wallet, coin purse, and key fob, many more. So here is what it looks like when worn. So it has this leather strap that is fully adjustable and detachable. Again, just showing you how or what could fit inside this very beautiful bag. So here it is. So guys, if I would be choosing among these very beautiful colors, definitely I would choosing the black version. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, please leave me a heart emoji. I would really super appreciate that one. Thank you! Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @RamiraFi2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!